TTD is down 27.7%. This is Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, post market session. So the stock is trending, driven by two major developments: its inclusion in the S&P and this disappoint. Okay, it's disappointing in its outcome. So it's just delivered now. The optimism around its inclusion in the S&P 500 was, tempered with the disappointing earnings outcomes. So it says down here, QT earnings revealed a 19% year over year revenue growth, down from 26% in Q2 of last year. This marked a significant slowdown, especially as the company has longer been a high growth name in the ad tech space. The sharp deceleration was attributed largely to softer demand in connected TV market. Okay, so and then the inclusion, obviously, in the S&P 500 would have meant that ETFs would be buying up the stock, to as a result of that, so it obviously will cause it will lead to volatility, so key Q2 takeaways: revenue was $505 million, 19% year over year growth. EPS, earnings per share, missed analyst expectations. Outlook cautiously optimistic, but now muted than previous quarters. CTV weakness, connected TV weakness, noted as a major drag on growth, likely linked to reduced ad spend and increased competition in the space. So, investor sentiment, tug of war. Communities now, communities now in a state of debate. Some traders see the post-earnings plunge as an overreaction and a potential buying opportunity, especially with index inclusion acting as a tailwind. Others point out that valuation remains high for a company with decelerating growth, and fear that macro ad spending trends could keep pressure on earnings in the near term. So let's see now. Okay, what to watch going forward. Earnings call tone, index inclusion dates, volume behavior, revised analyst targets, any macro signals. Okay, so, so you can always pause and have a read, and let's move on to see what's going on into a day low of 61.5. So it has pulled away from that low of 61.50. Let's see now. We have since the stock has been in an uptrend, apart from what has happened now, since June 16th, and it's just been printing higher prices. It has never, let's see now, has it, once it crossed above its 40 period moving average on this 4 hour chart, it never, apart from today, never dropped below it. As a matter of fact, it served as a primary demand line as of Thursday the 31st. Here we have currently we have an upper projection of 89.91, a decent premium to the current levels. So extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain weak up till the pre-market session of tomorrow. That's tomorrow, the 8th of February. So by midday tomorrow, it may have pivoted, and then it may remain strong up till Monday the 11th. So all in all, it's extrapolating that it's going to contract this severe plunge. Yeah, it's going to contract this severe plunge up till 18th of August, and probably even beyond that. Selling pressure, as you can easily imagine, is let's have a look here. Severely ramped up. However, it hasn't fed through. It hasn't fed through. It's just this plunge just happened now, so we still have positive derivatives on the second derivative on its 10 period moving average, and then positive derivatives on its 21 period moving average. So price pressure, severely, the moving averages are severely bearish right now, but they're still they're still uh, breaking through the support, breaking through the support. That is why we have some positive derivatives. It hasn't broken. It hasn't broken down everything. All the defenses have not. They're still. Some of them are still very much intact, if you like. So yeah, that's what's going on. This is the post market session of Thursday, the 7th. Let's see whether there's the kind of, let's see, the sort of activity we have here, how frantic it is. Okay, yeah, aggression, liquidity, not wonderful. Maybe aggression is may have contributed to what we're looking at right now. Yeah. Okay, yeah, just getting there, and I don't know if this is a buying opportunity, but some might say it is. Some might say it is a buying opportunity. We didn't get more of upper projections. We saw 89. So we before 89, there's 81.38, 82.52, 84.35, 93.62, 97.45, 99.81. Yeah. So okay, see what you make of TTD, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.